Welcome to JavaScript ES6, the next level. Here we'll be covering ECMAScript version 6. Let's have a bit of introduction first. ECMAScript is the language standard based on which JavaScript has been developed. Now this is the 6th version of ECMAScript, and the initial version was released in the year 1997. ECMAScript 6 is also called as ES6, Harmony, and ES.next. As ECMAScript 6 is still in progress, we can see the compatibility table on the website CanGax. Now this website lists the ES6 features and browsers which support or do not support them. So as we all know, JavaScript has come a long way since its humble beginnings nearly 20 years ago. Today, developers are writing thousands of lines of code creating complex JavaScript applications. And before we dive into the detailed features of ES6, you may want to look at the big picture that is defined in the specifications draft in terms of requirements, goals, and means. One of the goals for ES6 is to be a better language for creating complex applications, libraries, and code generators. So the requirements of ES6 new features require concrete demonstrations, keep the languages pleasant for casual developers, and preserve the start small and iteratively prototype nature of the language. Then the goals of ES6 are: be a better language for writing complex applications, libraries, code generators targeting the new edition, switch to a testable specification, ideally a definitional interpreter hosted mostly in ES5, improve interoperation, adopting de facto standards where possible, keep versioning as simple and linear as possible, support a statically verifiable object capability, secure subset. And now, coming on to the features that we will be covering in this course. We'll be starting with block bindings, then arrow functions, destructured assignment, parameters, where we'll be covering default parameters, rest parameters, spread operator, destructured parameters, iterators and generators. We have for, of, and then generators. Then we will be covering collections, sets, maps, symbols, weak maps and weak sets, template strings, promises, and more. So let's get started with ES6, the next level.